So my name is Donovhan Calvillo. I work for Think Power Solutions. I am the client manager of operations. KYRO made it really easy to keep track of our projects, and especially for a manager, not having to go between 2 or 3 different things, and just having it all in one was very, very easy. Downloading and uploading information to the cloud, to the project folder, is what has really helped our team in the field. We come from a field where everything's normally done by paper, right? And so for KYRO to help keep track of construction processes for the client through technology, it is essential.